Mala karun wang chai nyor ka dung tin media ka changa jandang raw da bakel ka paikel ka ron kin dang raw da jandang raw da bakel an mag bangut gog be nong la te la nong yen changa dung tin media ka ti lat ka ro de re junub Sudan kana win mo na dien an wala ka changa jandang raw da bakel ka paikel dung tin media be nong jero update da na ba nong ye bala ta ko rin ko no no zen jong le state ba ka right ka situation je ba ka yot kana woror ke du konti mere wode bala lar munung ne na kerwani te chalat ke ni diarati as a response kerwaje cha kwen ne Johnson Wuluny a deputy chief of general staff ke disarmament kana moral orientation ke SPDF raje jawlat ka poktab me raje ke de winimi ko jogo jeme bi awomo everything and a door motego mate wanamo nagaje starting from livestock taman palanithin kedit kagat kaman kadong rai me lat very clear nyam deni mi ko ndial condemnation ni chalat ke kuide ne ideal ni ko dur ni ko group ni ko individuals ni ko agents che ke UN agents ta da na cha condemn Roy Johnson lo nyomo gaje kan perspective te baga nungi wala ko dung dit media ke gwaron wangame mala ne ko yene ko do ko la gor ne la lenga ne shang ko dung dit media me mi ran jo me camping online lenga ko be like ko be share ko bene ko no wan lenga tung no ra na ba ko le shop ko bak bar ko la nung ne na ko dung dit media ba ko le ja chop ko tung wan update ne am wala ke gwaron wangame bale to ka ayot yana daga tuk yana liyang na pan ray ayot ko ju kumandan daga ayot la SPD abadan daga ayot ka command of Tito BLW chika jien ray kan daga dien ka palit chika watu word wow kam palit min men barak o bayot kana wow payam no madare tik hour tana bakel daga nanga chuk mi jiran kayot that distant rawono kana wo biga jien biga wonyan tongomo so we talk about the reason and ane wo gare khong na pan menangarar ba provocative attack ba wananga kan ba nang no dor mala chwalo wow kon dia ngai kon wow la kona lengo ko konin de chuo yete ko kor wini mita ga da mi de tin kan kana SPDF ga no ma cha attack spela mayu according to chuo cha khap cha de ba ba kel cha khap re de according reality ling kon la ro de jong li ko te ko mi ngi woro kel ka ne duk mu no situation na nan ta ka ayot che ja che yek chi ka te ko ne bi ni ling kon mobilization la rode ling kon la ko ne te group la je china bi ni group la je bna ni aspela mayo ko group de la de je bna wo kor sharp under profit makwai lat kene ina bo kor for the reason tin kon tin lat kanke so kon india le no mo ro lat amane paneje ti de gu mo tot mi chiben gu no mo collective of nuori ti mo ndi chawo je kwa ya yek tin do ya ko most of them ke ngwana bulu to job ga 71 people yaga is negin to ayot charo margu manan de BLW kan actual jek la commissioner so machi wore ga de ko mo yaro jek che number yen jedit yesterday they were trying to chakan advance mena mo yala de kan ko ne de ko wa kwa no contract spela mai wutin and they have all the two reason me ye na pan number 1 e kan lo ga de me dan ne cha khap ko wow plus wo de baba medan ne ta ka wow mute chungo with the technical issue de wonyo ko mo wari alaga kande no that was one objective re ode o kenin de ale mala ne ko len kon wi kana yes and no kata ko de tere ko ka yot te ka ne de tere ching te ko ri ada to yo ko ne kun mi ko chu wana men ta me de ora madie that was the reason of yesterday me jeng na ka ko be ne kien bi ka malpal re ching re gan war so me ko nang ta tong ni aron ne tia ka ayot chi ga yen chi ga we chup ka na ga wow chi kor ya la kor medit so cha ga lo jok tiang ka wa tiang e tiang cha ga lo ne ka kende ne ka palit so this morning hour starting ni ga wore tiang ajan information ne lin kone ko te ko kor mula roda inside the town re ka yot the main barrack re ka yot jen doro yala palit so mulu no ne te ko ne cha por bok re ching ala SPL mayu under the andwak kan matuk wal plus chap te kon te profit makwai charodian mat today morning ta ka tang mi ben ka multiple direction no ne re ga yot so koromo jatin ajal len kono ko ne te ka bar wan barara od ba yot ti yu ko kono wa yot cha ka ba SPL mayu te ne korede but the detail ko cha ka budi kana kon ka uni rede ka the pet of kumme la SPDF bad ma cha yot ka to dia lo kan ne barar so we are waiting for the formal information wa barar tino ka movement lakin generally bana ngai ni ye kor jatin within ayot and around ayot mulu victory ba joy ko ba dang mo kor wa mi chitok bana ling ko dunga bala dunga spela mayu this is a situation na na road ka ayot ka this morning hour ko generally te take kan de kona ya kwen mandan ko chirla na panas incidents leading to the today morning ko wate kor mi ala re ayun that we are waiting can the information ideal ke detail ideal regarding this call so no amana no na ayut when we talk about Duk country we know Duk for online this time Duk for online ko the element of SPDF ala forces ken ala out first tagalat ko Duk ne ya of Duk awona ko pokta taban we have two Duk to kon go Duk dang to kon go Duk padiet ta ga distant so come then chere mita dormala chala pajut kwele between them so if you want to go to Poktap go to Poktap because dag dar ga dung na daro du kel dang cham du kel dang chwe you go direct to chup ka Poktap so muguro bi ga duk that mean bro dang chwe ki bro dang cham wa nan go ga duk this how la dal ka yene wen so no ga situation ko rame forces ken jira talat kono wota gon dial do ka duk ka Poktap but the defense position la base intelligent ten job ten kam wor nyot kana panyagur this is what we always said ko jen gwa na ta supply la indian thing kana kwarken ta kam wor nyot kana panyagur what the reality ke out forces le bono kortine ken so ko gwani ni reality linkono ko government ke SPDF is preparing ko bawa ay lo ko ba offense ba na ken e bero do wan gaje taban as we convene ourselves ko chwane diere baru ne kon ngu liep kamo ngu chika bamo ngu cha na kraj gwame so as we say do kor plus go preparation nan take is different the church ka ta koro ken they know what they are doing that we don't want mulu no tame is a government nan take position ke ko be kor be na so we hear about baru ba kor nang bala o ne de content ka ya that kan ne de content ka prawn che kan ne de Poktap ne de ko duk plus kan ne ri yen jokomo tarodian mat direction dien cha ko la do kan two direction ne am medan jo da yot ko mi chike bom cha yot cha balaken ro win da wo do papai so they were there in bed ke that direction plus wo de yen from Poktap direct to Pajut de dor ndan chwali pa biro de re kan de wo Pajut so de ko de woni woni kan this two direction so mi dung ayo de ko wale that we are follow gur kone kalling kon ngone ne we go aga ne kon chi do ba yot chi ka closed that mean one na ba na ngata ka ken bala one direction and then again from Poktap directly for Jut and if this is the case so that is why we say our people kwa ko monitor mo cha bo ko ne ka chi ka show ne ka ne bi ta da kararo ko na ko no ko ne kume yen ta ka pressure ko kume che ka nin ga ro to nin baro to ke chip now we are punishing nin baro tell me to plus pan chanen nen bo ra je lat ke lu roi ko ne given 42 hours 48 hour ko de na yere lo the Rhodian watch. So to rock pressure the jo kume that they will try. Ko bigat ban. Che ka tan lat ko no ko ta me ne tiang ta ke tarukat take a moment ko going toward low. So we want me to from this hour bala new development baneling. And as we say always ko kon to kon ka side to kon ka sub position. The local problem of human resource, Kiriamo, she need a con long deal with mobilization, Kume, each a war long, as we have been one chicken. These are elements. So, the element to our collect negative, tell one objective. Tell Rabananga, do you tell Rabananga tribal sentiment we de con down, for example. Canadian Nanga and con we are isolated in the wind, Yakatan, one more in the continent, Paul Gaken, tell objective. So that assortment and collection of black and white and more chibin canecon. There the con go wrong. As you know, as well as my chung a pitch, take over 10,000 soldiers alone, carry out law to the Kurba Korean batter. Again, we have our civil defense forces that we always know. Talk a number in wrong. So in Korea, there's no worry. Tell me, dear, nothing. Problem number one, a mobilization. McKenna audience yet. So now, we don't worry. Mr. Kano, this is what we are waiting for. Come on, talk, you could in Campa Jord, can have poked up. This is a core we wait. Come on, can you know? Banner the live gobbing, you know. And the pressure, as we said, take a kum. Our people let them relax, let them prepare, and they can't your lepke. Every hour we can consolidate. As we always say, the one core, she a pajut, she a poked up, she a twitch. She wherever she bore a job that need preparation, need time to rushing. Che gore. Some who talk, we are victorious. Roger Moore, Amaluni, the development can attack her and down in Lip Corner. As we talk about our youth, case of our youth, Banner pull up, we come up with it later on, back on your Mulane, Katai show in detail. As we talk about case of Pajut, Lauror, development of and situation there at 10 and a time the room that we are monitoring. Banner war, Manguaja to Okaja. Now, Banner right at Tawulun. Johnson Wulwin, the right very clear, channeling cordial, we read and we heard the condemnation they are gore, they are lad, and ask social media and Roy Yulunalat. But that Tad Lachiman. So they condemn Wulwin. Can Roy a lot of Wulwin, suppose she did a Wulwin. They would lad Radian, Kunkuman Kulun Ladeka. Ramkel, they could have been the Aldecular one and a Conabaka and a Malayan. Kushudian could they started. Nika 2013 January Aganak, K 16 January Aganak. Now if they continue, Minokaneba and Warnagala can we yes, Bakogan Waranak, Bakoman Waranak, Bako livestock, Bako Durkin Bagashwan. She did a tag. She did a rooted. So right more than anyone Chawuluncha condemn. And if you go back to end the Conladulunge, the Royal Gedi, tell condition near that. Tino the Cogon and even nip. The what it carried a jog done. Take jog to the name de Conelade. No, you will serious about this war. Code number one, you attack kin. Lag elect the message. And go by a moke at the Babin, by a moke at Lerin, by a moke mobility mean by non torbieli. Timukani nung take carriage and nang jok, Kel and my kin, the did jog young kin, Chiabo. Number one. By no water taught Chatin. Pegaburongo, again bo, Pegata water batay. Number two. War record a paichol. Gorti 10,600. Police Karad. Where are those people? Kane. Makanga Benga Pielo. Mana Mukan Gorkunga Yalaga, Shia Korea better. So at the last, you read a lara go and then you know what? Nakake, Katana Yagalari. So Bruno we order. Go conflict. Karoade. Who would be Bejai, ye the Kumarar, Bejai, ye the Rodar. Kanore. So we go and we know these people, this type of people. Like on Woloin, Chaladbo, sitting one Yagalada Conbo. Naikono Charoridi. My concentration goes also done that not only Woloin. mo utet pain kon la pain kon or let me say it. We have this style of people de no malara wulun de lar lambut de lar garod mai de laranga so mi go gujita lar ge ken they do not represent their people chalo do dor ken ain't we run we remember guru alambu de koret ka bar gazal en won wore ma kan lam mi ci korngo mi ci jango kor so ni alam menta me wa ka ye jo be ni ne ga jang de ga bara ga ndial ga yunamis so that was very dangerous statement par a country largati wulun so mu ko rede we can take it as wulun alone wulun karo ade not collectively as tad tell minang tad dial tin royalat wulun that is why we see them condemning wulun so mu no sentiment mo re yeno kon wore kon ne kon tin lat ke ba gar kon wonak kana kon ga man kon ga dit kon chigatat to go out to kon nak. And by the way, quoted, Kadazet of Jonglei, Jabum, a cormotot. That contribution made in Balakaye. Balado Conchi, don't they were majority and Matcore, there is imbalance, peer balance, war. No. That Chako does it, a Mataraga Jonglei, does the Adam Longa Canning, or Matadi, Almanagatkin, Manamankin. Mitaka long that our core babur, Mitari a year, maybe. Like King Korar, Kitara Demolong. That we take it as a very simple involvement of wooling. The fact that Rambuji and a Bunang Gala Homo. Can a man can go ken? Can the joy? Could you know Sudan today? And Ramonje. One you go and an banana. I will take a long but you bring log up an hour. And if that is the case, corner go and then Coromet, Tabulu Log, we ignore wooling. And talk there. Tell him go to Arthur. Is wooling alone. That individual like this, Nika Noor, Nika Jang, Nika Tad, Nika Equatorian, Ramataga kiss the Garade. Kanuari by Jagalaram Ken. Not community. So, Mr. Kano, we talk to ourselves. But like Rodan, Banalaro. So this time, there is a need for change, sentiment, thinking. Who con more con nang naga lana. Kiti jagala con nag. A banang as they are. A banaga chol, direct. For example, con worry. More con to go on and worry. I call it jack a recurme. Tia con nak. Tia con ngar. Ticharamat Kiadu dan, Mukoro succeed Banakanak, Barato. Terranor, we would do the Kajin Sudan. Because we have a very big number, which won't El Gadu, which corner, that only forgiveness. Ko Mangur corner was Salvakir Begin, you come wale. More concom Mawajak, whoever contribute me Salvakir or. And let's move more a Salvakir bad to Salvakir yen. Chumi a talk over Benur. Don't know ye bita forgiveness. Could let us forget about the rebellion. We are calling it to yes. I get you in Monday, I call it to Jack. Like it is a time, we will have a responsibility. Responsibility which you know Sudan bar more consult because which will be new kapalping, Bala country, more call letter. So that we cannot contribute, who banner destroy, who call a guru bagua. And Obana Ganga Jia, Obana union. Unity of our people, build. You forget about Young, you forget about Tet, you forget about Equatorian, you forget about Murle, you forget the Alkajinubi, and this is what we want. Mongor corner. So in summary, we talk about Ayut, we talk about Woror and Duke, we talk about Johnson Wulun, Mular Neoko, to the Alamun, and Chaganung Yeti, the Kentilak Baro of today, the Changajananga Bakel, the Guaron Wangam. But lo jigi yo wat yang ketin bilo watu ko jinu Sudan ushukran